fit?
How fit are you?
Well, according to Kirsty, you're well fit, innit, bruv? Well, actually, we had your number before we were drunk, and we were going to call you, but then we got drunk and then we called you. Well, actually, we tried calling a lot of other blokes, and you're the only one that answered.
If we're truthful.
Well, actually, no. We
I'm
tried
going to
calling.
start pole dancing.
We tried calling some 12-year-olds, and they wouldn't answer. So
Should I start pole dancing up and down Megan now? That'd be funny.
So how old are you
I
then?
don't know how far we need to go.
33.
Yeah, right. There you go.
He's 33. I ain't fucking talking to a 33-year-old.
To him.
33-year-old? Fucking
Hello.
hell. Oh,
Hello.
shade someone else, nothing.
No. Another Emma.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. What would you like to know?
Oh, give it to me. Oh, God, it comes.
Oh God, I come.
Who else you gonna say?
Stand still, look, hold up again. I can go,
She's not on time.
and then I'm stuck.
She is.
I'm going for a piss, you coming with me? Oh, my fake dude.
My fag dude.
You're actually up for a piss with me.
And she's gonna pee. She's gonna let him hear her pee, isn't he? Say hello. I'm going
Is
hi.
this going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Hello YouTubers, it's your sexy bitch Trixie.
You know what it is? It's Megan's wind-up call because I got Megan and Boris straight at the start of the fucker. Say hello, Charles.
Why doesn't she want anything to do with a 33-year-old? I went, because she's not Amy. Went, oh, bless. And then she nicked the phone back off me.
Sexy.
Zoom.
I'm a little bit drunk. It's my boobs.
YouTubers, girls, pissed.
I would do me
Oh,
boobs,
sorry,
but
have I
think
got
it's
that's my
scary.
toe?
See, I would do.
And just like I'm wrecked. So hello.
I would honestly do my boobs, right? But I'd scare them all because I've got bigger ones than them apparently. So I won't be doing that.
In your dreams, darling. She's thinking, shall I? Shall I really?
I would. Don't think I wouldn't because I would. YouTube would block it though. That's the only problem.
Just go. Get the fuck.
YouTube would block it.
Seriously,
if I got my
Charlotte,
boobs out.
if you're going to do this more often, you've really got to lay yourself out, darling.